FRSR Part 13. 86th question. When an employee is under suspension for a part of the calendar month, transport allowance is allowable at the rate of full amount of entitlement, 50% of the amount of entitlement, proportionate amount for the period not under suspension, nil. So the correct answer is C, proportionate amount for the period not under suspension. Yes. 87th question. Transport allowance is not admissible if an employee is absent from duty for full calendar month due to leave, training or tour, suspension, vacation, all of the above. So the correct option is all of the above. Next question is 88th. Non-practicing allowance is in lieu of private practice as allowed to government doctors at the rate of dash on basic pay under 7th CPC pay structure. Options are 10%, 25%, 20%, 30%. So the correct answer is 20%. Rate of 20% on basic pay. Next question. Non-practicing allowance will not count as pay for the purpose of first option, pay fixation, second, DA, TA and other allowances, third, calculation of retirement benefits, D, allotment of residential accommodation. So the correct answer is D. Allotment of residential accommodation. Last 19th question. Non-practicing allowance is allowable in respect of A, medical post for which medical qualification recognized under the Indian Medical Council Act is essential. B, dentist post for which qualification recognized under the Dentist Act is essential. C, veterinary post for which qualification of BVSC and AH is essential. D is all of the above. All of the above is the right option. 91. MACPS stands for. What is the full form of MACPS? Multiple Assured Career Progression Scheme, Modified Assured Career Profession Scheme, Modified Assured Career Progression Scheme. C option is correct. Modified Assured Career Progression Scheme. 92. Financial upgradation under MACPS is allowed after continuous service in same grade pay for 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, none of the above. So the correct answer is 10 years. 93rd question. The benchmark for performance appraisal for financial upgradation under MCAP SWEF 25/7/2016 is average, good, very good, outstanding. So correct option is very good. 94th question. Failure to achieve the benchmark either in MACPS or for a regular promotion within the first 20 years of service will result in A, postponement of increment by 1 year, B, withholding of increment, C, imposition of penalty, D, institution of disciplinary action. So the correct answer is withholding of increment. 95. Average emoluments means the average of emoluments drawn by the employee during last 3 months of his service, last 3 years of his service, last 10 months for his service, last 12 months. So the correct answer is option C is the right option. Last 10 months of his service. 96. Under FR fundamental rule dash a government servant may be required to subscribe to provident fund, a family pension fund or other similar fund. 15, 16, 18, 22. 16 is the right option. 97. Under wait a sec. Under FR 26B, extraordinary leave is counted as duty under following circumstances. A. EOL granted due to inability of a government servant to join or rejoin duty on account of civil commotion. B. EOL granted to a government servant for prosecuting higher technical and scientific studies. C. Both A and B. And D is none of the above. So the correct answer is both A and B. That A is EOL granted due to inability of a government servant to join or rejoin duty on account of civil commotion. EOL granted to a government servant for prosecuting higher technical and scientific studies. Thanks.